Now that I'm mostly done being sick, I have a request. This is an ask to Dato QT. You talked about teaching movement to Gaiman for Hope, and then seemed to have dropped the offer after learning about who he is. My name is Comfortable. You talked about teaching new players, and since I have less than 100 hours, I was wondering if you would be willing to give me the same chance that you were willing to give a bigger creator. These are my mains, these are my clips, and this is me tossing a Hail Mary. So, did it work?
Oh, let's fucking go.
Got three.